So, Beverly just got washed and cleansed. I am gonna go in with a hydrate curl cream and like kind of scrunch it in the areas that I see the most frizz.
And you're using a cream, but you can use an oil as well, right?
I'm gonna use a cream and an oil.
Okay.
And because I'm a hairstylist and Beverly is in my chair, there's a curl that's just not cooperating. I'm just gonna take that off.
How can people do this at home?
People can, if they see like straggly ends, they can do this, but you know, if they want it like perfect, they could go to a salon to get it done as well. You can come to me.
G2O Salon.
Yes, if you're in the
Spa.
Boston area, definitely come to Nadja at G2O Spa and Salon.
And this is just my perfectionism. I just want to make sure we restore her correctly. But it's really easy, Diane, if I can have you zoom in. You see these strands of hair? I'm just going to take those off because it doesn't need to be there. And you see how I separated that curl?
So that's easy to do at home.
Yeah,
You can
that's
just do that
really
at
easy
home.
to do.
Yeah,
Because
I do that with my wigs all the time.
Yeah,
it's
so-
really not difficult.
Yeah, so you just take those little pieces and just give it some divide.
And I think a lot of people, particularly during the pandemic, when they had to do DIY
Yeah.
on their hair and nails and those sort of things, may feel really comfortable taking those ends off.
Right,
But you
right,
can always bring it to a professional like Nadja
right.
for,
Do you
for
wanna
some
pause or
definition.
keep going. So as you can see, I restored them and styled them with hydrate curl cream and oil just to revitalize the curl. I did do some trimming and on some of the tangles on Beverly. She had more than Ashanti, and I did the same with her. I put some hydrate curl cream on her and some oil. She was just like a little frizzy here, and I tried to do a little finger like twirls, just try to revive the curl without like, you know, doing too much. But if I see a healthier curl, I just kind of tuck that one underneath. And so you kind of can just let them air dry. If you have a blow dryer with a diffuser, you know, this is just a regular standard everyday blow dryer. The diffuser goes right on top. And this is very important when like blow drying hair. You don't want to use like very heavy speed. You want the highest temperature but the lowest speed. So I'm gonna set my temperature to the max and my speed to the lowest setting. And it's hard to hear, so what I'm gonna do is a cupping method and holding the dryer when it's on. And with this wig, it's a little shorter, so you can just lift it and then cut. Excuse me. Excuse me, sorry. Oh, sorry. So you kind of want to do that until it's about 90% dry, and then let the rest air dry.